So, as this is portable, as it suggests in the name, you don't necessarily need to have, well, you don't need a hose pipe. You could take this anywhere with you. If you're using your 4x4 and you come off and you need to go on the road and get the mud off, you can use it for that. All you need is a bucket of water. I've got a bowl here, and you just plunge the filter with the end in, as you'll see on the instructions. You need to press the trigger down for 10 seconds before the water comes out. Do not change these settings while it's in use. Do this before you start it going. Let's see how it fares. I've got a bit of a grubby sunbed there and some patio here, so we'll give it a go. See, that's come up really well already, and it's not really used much water either. We'll give it a go now on the sunbed. So you can see it's a really nifty little machine. It gets lots done. It packs away neatly in a little case. All you've got to do is keep your battery charged and you're ready to go. You could keep it, well, you could take it anywhere with you as long as you've got a bottle of water and an empty bucket. Yeah, I highly recommend this.